Okay, so my first movement is moving the right joystick on this controller upwards. And this controller is connected to this excavator, and when I move it upwards, the ladle will bend in such a way that the ball inside it will drop into this funnel. That's the first step. Second, the ball will roll down onto this inclined plane, and after rolling down the inclined plane, it will go into this one, and then onto this one. And then it will go onto a redistributor here. As you can see, it will just roll into it and out coming out like this. And then it will land on an inclined plane, and that's the third step. Fourth, it will fall into this cup that is part of a lever, and after it's the effort force in this lever, in this first class lever actually, and after it falls down, the resistance force is this pitman, and it will be moved up. It's moving up is the fifth step. When it moves up, it makes this lever what I would call first class lever. It would slightly go upwards, slightly enough that it makes this ball roll off of it and onto this inclined plane. Then that's the sixth step. The seventh step is that the ball will hit this lever, and it will make this part of the lever go right, while this part of the lever would go left. The eighth step is that when this goes left, the slinky will be released. It will be released onto a wooden platform. As you can see here, this tennis ball is tied to a string, and the string is holding on to the nail here. So in the ninth step, when the slinky falls down onto the platform, the platform will move down just enough so that this string will be released. In the 10th step, this ball will fall this way as part of a Newton's cradle. So this ball will hit this ball, and its energy will hit this ball. So this ball won't actually move, but it will make, so this ball will go this, it will swing this way and make this ball go this way. So then this ball will hit this stop sign, and this is actually part of an electrical switch, because connected to this stop sign by tape is this cable, and the end of the cable will actually hit this tin foil, and at that time the electric circuit is complete. So the current is going through this cable, and it is connected inside here to a battery, which is also connected to a couple of other wires, and one of them leads to the motor of this car. So obviously, when this electrical circuit is complete, while it is falling, obviously this car will move forward, knocking over the dominoes. That was the 11th step, by the way. The dominoes falling down are the 12th step, and all of those are normal except for the last one, which is wrapped in tinfoil. This is because in the third, it is part of an electrical switch, and in the 13th step, it will hit two other pieces of tinfoil, as you can see here, and they're both connected to wires that connect to this Lego car. So when this tinfoil wrapped domino hits the two other pieces of tinfoil, the car will suddenly go forward, and it will keep going forward. And it is tied to this lever that is made out of this pen that's been undone. So and the bottom of it is connected to this another joystick of a controller that is connected to a dump truck. So when this car moves forward, it will pull this undone pen, and which is connected to this joystick. So the joystick will move forward, making this dump box of the dump truck tip upwards. As you can see, and that was the 14th step. Okay, so now as you can see here, there's a golf ball inside the dump box of the dump truck. In the 15th step, the golf ball will roll down, and then it will fall onto this slide, basically that's made of Legos. And it will hit what we call a swing lever. So in the 16th step, this lever is actually connected to a pulley, and at the this is because it's tied to a piece of golden string, and the other piece of string is attached to the nail using tape, and the nail is holding the coin from rolling down and into the piggy bank. But when the ball will hit the swing lever, it will pull this string, it will pull it backward a little, making the nail fall out, and it will release this coin because it is being held by the nail. It will release it, and the coin will roll down and into the piggy bank. And that's how my Rube Goldberg works.